What's going on, guys? We had a customer drop off his brand new 2024 F350 for the full SDHQ makeover. To start off with, we got suspension wheels and tires. Suspension on this truck, we went with the 3.5-inch Carli E-Venture system, and we paired it with some of their goodies as well. We've got their Torsion Swaybar, their high and low mount steering stabilizer. Out back, we've got their progressive Attapack, so we don't lose any load carrying capacity on this truck. This suspension allowed us to fit a set of 37 1250 tires wrapped around a set of 17-inch Method 305 wheels. Now, like I said before, this truck didn't want to lose any load capacity because he is going to be using this truck like a truck. To help out with that, we've got a set of our SDHQ Built long travel airbags installed in there to make sure that we're not losing any wheel travel on our new Carli suspension system. We've also added a whole bunch of lighting on the front of this truck. We've got the Baja Designs Bull Bar down there on our bumper. We've got their SAE Fog Light Kit down there in our factory fog light location. And on a set of SDHQ Built A-Pillar Mounts, we've got some Baja Designs LP4s. In the back, we also flush mounted some squadron lights into the bumper to act as some reverse and auxiliary lighting back there. To control all of these lights, we installed a switch pros in our SDHQ Built mount up overhead in the cab. Under hood, we've got our SDHQ Built power module mount, and to keep everything looking factory, a set of SDHQ Built Battery Terminals. This Super Duty is hooked up and we are excited to ship it out. If you guys are looking to get your Super Duty built, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.